Hello, my beautiful besties. It's your girl Nelly. If you're part of my nail crew, welcome back. And if you're not, consider subscribing right now and become part of my amazing nail crew. So, for today's video, I'm going to pack what's going to be my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. And I just wanted to show you a short clip just to let you know that it's all set and ready to go. All I have to do is the official video. Like I said, this is not the official video. I just wanted to show you a little bit. There was a part there where I thought I was recording, but I really wasn't. So my apologies for that. But the box does come with a lot of goodies, gel polishes, polygel acrylic, um, a drill, um, a brush to dust off your nails, some transfer decals, rhinestones, charms, a little bit of everything. So this is just to show you that I am going to go through with it. I know how a lot of you have been asking me about the giveaway. No, you haven't missed it. And this is not the official video. So this is just so you guys can see a little bit of what's in it. And then you can decide whether you want to participate or not. To participate, you have to be subscribed to my channel and be active on my platform. So I will do maybe one or two videos. I'm not exactly sure at this point before I do the official video. So you're going to have to watch in order to participate because I will not be titling that video giveaway. This giveaway is not sponsored by anyone. Everything was purchased by me. And there might be one or two items that were lightly used, I think. I'm not exactly sure. But for the majority of I like everything else, it's brand new stuff. So just think about it and decide whether you want to participate or not. As you can see, this is a medium flat rate box. It is all taped up, secured, and ready for that giveaway. I'm so excited and I'm so grateful because you guys made this possible. I will have another giveaway, but that will be for my members. So if you want to join, just click the join button. It is a monthly subscription for $4.99. I will be doing more lives there more frequently, and I will be doing more giveaways there as well. But for now, this is the 3,000 giveaway. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Um, and I am very grateful, like I said. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.